Welcome back to Turbo Excel. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Mitsubishi Triton GLS, rugged, refined, and re-engineered for modern adventures. The 2025 Mitsubishi Triton GLS boasts an aggressive and commanding presence. Under the hood, it features a 2.4L bi-turbo diesel engine producing 201 horsepower and 470 Nm of torque, more than enough muscle to conquer rough terrains or handle heavy loads. The redesigned front end looks muscular, with a larger dynamic shield grille that gives it an aggressive and bold face. The sleek, narrow LED headlights stretch into the grille and give a futuristic look, while the daytime running lights sit lower and resemble piercing eyes. The bumper is wide and angular, integrating with the front skid plate for added protection and off-road appeal. Moving to the wheels, the GLS rides on 18-inch alloy wheels that offer a sporty look and are wrapped in all-terrain tires for enhanced grip. The side profile is streamlined yet muscular, with sharp character lines that add depth and strength to its body. The side mirrors come with integrated turn signals and are electronically adjustable. The side glass design is clean and functional, with black window surrounds that add contrast. Around the back, the tailgate is beefier and stronger looking, featuring LED tail lights that mimic the front lighting pattern for design consistency. The rear bumper is equipped with corner steps for easier access to the cargo bed. Door handles are body-colored with a slight chrome touch, giving the vehicle a refined yet rugged finish. Whether you're using it for work or play, the Triton GLS looks prepared for anything. Step inside and you'll immediately notice how Mitsubishi has elevated the cabin experience. The dashboard layout is driver-focused with soft-touch materials and silver accents. The centerpiece is a new 9-inch LCD touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Below the screen, physical buttons make it easy to operate the climate control system and media while driving. The side doors have a sturdy yet premium finish, with wide door bins and soft padded armrests, giving both functionality and comfort. The gear selector is now more modern, with a shift-by-wire system offering smoother transitions and improved fuel efficiency. Right next to it, you'll find the start-stop button in a brushed metal finish, adding a touch of sophistication. The steering wheel is leather-wrapped with multifunction controls, allowing you to manage calls, cruise control, and infotainment without taking your hands off the wheel. The front seats are supportive and ventilated, with excellent lumbar support for long drives. In the rear, space is generous even for taller passengers. Mitsubishi has included a unique feature, a fold-down table between the rear seats, complete with cup holders and a storage tray, perfect for snacks or holding devices. Cargo space is impressive. The rear bed is deep and wide, with a durable liner and multiple tie-down hooks to secure any load. Whether it's camping gear, tools, or furniture, the Triton GLS is built to carry it all. The 2025 Mitsubishi Triton GLS is priced starting around $45,000, which is competitive given its advanced features, robust powertrain, and off-road capabilities. Optional packages and accessories can slightly raise the price, but it remains strong value in the dual-cab market. With its modern design, powerful engine, and smart interior, the 2025 Triton GLS proves to be a worthy contender in the pickup segment. If you're looking for toughness, comfort, and style in one package, the Triton GLS is your go-to choice. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more premium vehicle reviews from Turbo Excel.